In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Stripe account with Payoneer. By the end, you'll have your Payoneer receiving account connected so Stripe can send your payouts smoothly and in the right currency. First, open your Payoneer account. Once you are in, head to the Get Paid section and choose Receiving Accounts. This is where Payoneer provides virtual bank details you can use to receive transfers. Select the currency account that matches how you plan to get paid from Stripe, such as USD for US dollar payouts or Euro for Euro payouts. Make sure the account is active and approved in Payoneer before proceeding, as inactive or pending accounts may cause payout delays. On the Receiving Account page, you'll see bank details like the routing number and account number. Carefully copy these details. Take a moment to double-check every digit, and keep this information secure. Treat it just like a real bank account. Next, switch over to your Stripe dashboard and log in. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open settings. Then go to Bank Accounts and Currencies. If your Stripe account is brand new, confirm that your business and identity verification steps are complete. Stripe may require them before enabling payouts. Click Add Bank Account when prompted. Paste the Payoneer bank details you copied earlier. Ensure the currency you choose in Stripe matches the currency of your Payoneer receiving account. Consistency here helps avoid conversion fees and failed payouts. Enter the account holder name exactly as it appears on your Stripe account entity and select the correct account type if Stripe asks. Review everything slowly. One misplaced digit can cause a verification failure. To finish, follow Stripe's verification prompts. You may be asked to confirm your password, approve a two-factor authentication request, or acknowledge that Stripe will verify the account. In some regions, Stripe may send a small test deposit and ask you to confirm the amount. So keep an eye on your Payoneer transactions and your email for updates. Verification can take a little time and payouts may be paused until it's complete. Once confirmed, consider setting your payout schedule and default currency preferences in Stripe, so your transfers run on autopilot and align with your bookkeeping. That's it. You've copied your Payoneer receiving account details, added them to Stripe, and completed the verification. If anything doesn't match or a prompt appears you didn't expect, just follow the on-screen guidance from Stripe and Payoneer. Thanks for watching.